Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your controller on a pellet grill if you're looking to upgrade to our newest Wi-Fi controller, or if you're simply trying to troubleshoot your old one. Today we're going to be showing you how to do it on a DLX, but it applies to other models as well. So let's get into it. To replace a controller, it's not necessary that you take off your hopper, but for the sake of this video, we're going to be showing you one that is already taken off so that you can see the wiring underneath. First thing you want to do is take off the 4 screws that are securing the bottom plate on the hopper. Before we begin working on our pellet grill, make sure that it is unplugged and in a safe place. So after you've taken your bottom plate off, the factory will put zip ties on your wiring, so you can go ahead and cut those off. And we're going to disconnect all the connectors, but if you notice, they all have letters on them, so just remember that when we're going to be reinstalling it later. Once you've disconnected your controller, go ahead and push down and pull it out. Once your old controller is taken out, you're good to put your new one in. For reference and for additional information, there is a wiring diagram found on the back side of the hopper. For example, the red and white connector goes into the auger motor, the orange and white into the blower, and the purple and white into the hot rod. Now it's time to connect our new controller to our existing connectors. So again, match the letters to their partners and simply connect them. Because we've already taken this hopper off of another pellet grill, there is this leftover connection. This one goes to your thermometer on your pellet grill. It should already be there and set up. Once your controller is all connected on the bottom side, you're good to take your plate and your 4 screws and reinstall it on the bottom side of the hopper. Once the plate and the controller are both reinstalled on your pellet grill, make sure to turn it on and ensure that it works. And if not, you can call our customer support helpline or visit campchef.com.